When installing a QuietCool system in a home, the location of the fan intake grill is very important. Improper location can negatively affect the performance of the fan and the homeowner's experience with the system. When QuietCool systems are installed in correct locations, maximum airflow and whole house ventilation is achieved, making the system efficient and allowing the homeowner to enjoy the system to its fullest. When installing a QuietCool centrally located in the home, you will want to look at the ceiling for a good wide open area that is not next to a smoke detector or can lights and is away from any HVAC ducting. The best spot to install a fan is at the top of the stairs in a 2-story home or in a central hallway of a single-story home. Either floor plan will provide a good central location that will allow the QuietCool system to pull air from all areas of the house. The goal is to strategically open windows that will allow the fan to pull the breeze across the widest possible living space. When installing a zoned QuietCool system in a bedroom, install the fan just in front of the door or inside the master bathroom. This will allow the breeze to come in through an open window across the entire bedroom and maximize the cooling experience in the bedroom. Once you've selected the exact locations you wish to install your QuietCool fan or fans, go up into the attic to make sure there is nothing in the way of the area you want to install the fan. Now you're ready to start the QuietCool installation.